responsible citizen of India. हाँ, पहले अपने परिवार की तरफ अपनी अन्य जवाबदारी निभाओ, पर साथ में अपने देश के एक जिम्मेवार नागरिक भी बनो। ये हमारे मूल्य का एक हिस्सा है।
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना।
बच्चों को पढ़ा रही हूँ, मैं बोली नहीं। लड़की मेरे पास थी तो रंगून वाला बोला कि अपने इधर लेके आओ, अच्छे स्कूल में डालो, तुमको मैं मदद करूँगा। 1 साल हो गया मैं अपने बच्चे को मई से इधर रखी हूँ और रंगून वाले ने मुझे मदद किया है। धन्यवाद मैं करती हूँ।
ये मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि बच्चा पैदा होता है और बूढ़ा होकर मर जाता है, तो इसमें 3 चीज़ बहुत अहम है। एक एजुकेशन, एक हेल्थ है और एक है रोजगार, और ये तीनों में रंगूनवाला ट्रस्ट। तो ये मेरा पॉइंट है। मैं कब से बैठ कर सुन रहा था और मैं तो ये सिर्फ जानता था कि एक मामूली जैसे ट्रस्ट जैसे होते हैं वैसे ट्रस्ट ही है, लेकिन लोगों के जज्बात से जुड़ा हुआ ट्रस्ट ही है। आप मैडम कितना भी कह दें कि तारीफ मत करो, और इनका ट्रस्टी जितना भी कह दे कि हमारी तारीफ नहीं करो, लेकिन मैं इतना ज़रूर करूँगा कि ये लोगों को जोड़ता है। मैं तो अकेला चला था मंजिल सफ़र, मगर लोग जुड़ते गए और कारोबार बनता गया।
Times are, at least in the western parts of the world, are not good, but that doesn't mean that they are finished. So I think as countries like India today, I think it's very important for the young generations to understand that if you work hard, I think we will go a lot further than the West has ever been. But there is no shortcuts to hard work, okay?
He says that RFIT has introduced him to the world, has taught him about life. Congratulations, Talib, for your positive outlook and for persevering amidst adversity. Naved imbibes RFIT's spirit of volunteerism when he says, RFIT has nurtured me and I have grown into a big tree which can now give shade to others in need. Congratulations, Naved, for your academic excellence, but more so for imbibing RFIT's values and pledging that they will remain with you for life. I request Dr. Meena Galiara to give the scholarship award to Naved. Vishal was one of the Utkarsh mentors who were chosen for an exposure visit to Rangoonwala Foundation supported institutions to Azam campus, Pune. His sensitivity is reflected in his conveying his thanks to each and every member of the RFIT family, without whose support it would not have been possible for him to be where he is today. Rakesh feels that without RFIT's support, he would not have been able to pursue his education. Though living in a congested home with 4 other families and using the neighborhood library for his study, Rakesh did not waver from his career focus. Tarannum, also please come up with your mother. Shabnam and Tarannum have been associated with RFIT since the inception of our first Rangoonwala Community Center in Jogeshwari in 2005. Shabnam, a mother of 6, supported her child in the pursuit of higher education despite family and social resistance, despite economic pressures and indifferent health. Educating her children is still her responsibility. 4 of them are studying. Today, Tarannum is a nurse in Mumbai's prestigious Hinduja Hospital.